Good afternoon, viewers. How are you, everyone? I'm growing lot of stuff top of my roof. Chili tree, kojak, lemon tree, parsley. Do you have a rooftop? You can grow some other stuff. I can show you today how to grow chili plant and rhubarb plant inside the water bottle. Let's start growing stuff inside the bottle. When you drink water, after that, don't throw out inside the bin. Keep it, then you can grow your plant. Who like the plant growing? This is more better and quicker. I can show you how to grow the rhubarb seed. Put some compost cocoa soil inside the any container with lid. Then get the seed, rhubarb seed, and put it like this few times, and then one other layer of the cocoa pits, and put very small amount of the water with your hand or the spray bottle, and then cover it and put top of your heater. Now within 1 week you can see the seedling start grow. It's amazing. And then I can show how to grow inside the bottle this plant. I have a few chili tree, naga tree, and banglalau.
Go.
Viewers, I'm growing rhubarb plant today, and I can tell you what rhubarb health benefit is. Rhubarb is a good source of magnesium and a very good source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and you can see rest of them. Now I can show you how to cut the bottle with a knife and grow the rhubarb plant is inside the bottle. You can put fire on your cooker, then any knife you want to use, just make the knife little bit hotter, put 3 holes inside your bottle and start from here and then going to here, make a small window, then your hand will be going inside it. That's it. See? Now you can put your compost. I'm using cocoa pits compost inside the pot because I'm making video, that's why I'm making lots of mess as soon as possible. I'm not putting too much because otherwise my video getting too long. That's it, just example. Then again you can heat up your knife and the small pot where you seed it, this one you can cut the bottom like this. I cut already before lot. Then hold it and place inside the bottle like this. I can show you lots of other bottle I did outside. This is my kitchen, that's why I can't do properly. So what you need growing rhubarb plant? You need cocoa mix soil, a plant pot, and few vitamins. I'm using vitamin coal, baby bio, or just bio something. This one. Now let's start lemon tree inside the ground. Everyone grow inside the pot, but I like growing inside the ground. I make the base here. I put some boiled eggs, eggshell, coconut peel, raw eggs, and some banana peel and some bananas, and some chicken manure, Epsom salt, and ground mustard. I love use mustard. When I was small, I saw my grandfather use lot of mustard. It's called oil. Then make the hole into the ground and place your lemon tree. And cover with the cocoa peat or cocoa mix soil. I grow lots of other plants as well here. This big one now. See how to grow inside the ground. My chickens start eating all the eggshell and egg. This look nice. Where's the lemon gone? Here the lemon. Hey! Quack quack! Where's my duck? Only chicken here, no ducks, no pigeons. Then I showed 2 sour stuff today. Rhubarb and lemon tree. Now my rhubarb tree is big. We can eat tomorrow some. And mint as well. Enjoy the rhubarb pie with your friend and family and have a nice evening. Thank you so much watching the video. Subscribe and like is appreciated. Thank you very much. See you again with another video. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.